Hey, what's up guys? This is Rico and I'm going to do a bike check. So what we have here is the Fit Sky High bars, 8.5-inch rise. Then I have the Odyssey V3 stem with the FSA top cap and BSD headset. Then I have the Primo 7 Series front wheel with the Madeira hub and Fit stock forks with the Odyssey front tire. Then we go to the back and I have the Alienation stock back wheel with the Fly Rubin tire. Then I have the stock Fit cranks with the UGP sprocket with the Primo bottom bracket. And then I have these Odyssey PC twisted pedals, which are totally gay. Then I have the Fit seat. And last but not least, I have the Fit Chase Hawk frame, 21-inch. And that's it for today, guys.